Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Pharma. Today in this video, we are going to see latest pharma walk-in interviews. So let us start with Aurobindo Pharma. This is a walk-in interview for apprenticeship. Launch your career with Aurobindo Pharma. Date of interview is 18th April. Timings 9 to 13 hours. Venue Aurobindo Pharma Limited. Qualification ITI diploma and degree. Year of passing is 24 to 26. Scan the QR code for more information. And coming to the next vacancy, which is from Lupin Limited, my dear friends. This is a walk-in for QC and production API. So freshers can utilize the opportunity in production API department. So this involves working with the reactors, online filling of BPRs and records, processing of batch. So this is a shift production shop floor activity. Next vacancy is from Dicel Chiral Technologies. They are hiring for synthesis R&D, peptide synthesis, project management departments. And next vacancy, Helios Labs Limited, formerly SMS Life Sciences India Limited. It is a USFDA approved API manufacturer. So the interview location is Helio Labs Limited Unit 1, Jannaram Sangareddy District. So on 18th April, you can scan the QR code. Vacancies are there for freshers in production department, engineering in production department only. Remaining experienced vacancies for regulatory affairs, engineering and maintenance. Next vacancy is from Cipla. They are hiring for BSc course duration 4 years. Year 1 trainee, year 2 executive. So B1 executive and competitive compensation as per industry standards. 8 hours shift. Class timings 2 hours class Monday to Friday. Program location across required supply manufacturing sites. Salary 2.45 lakh per annum. After 1 year 2.94 lakh per annum on confirmation. And next vacancy is from IPCA Dose of Life. This is a walk-in drive for R&D. Hiring for CRD and ADL Vadodara location. So walk-in interview is on 18th April 10 a.m. to 5:30 p.m. Venue IPCA Laboratories Limited. So please do utilize the opportunity. Next vacancy is from Mylon Laboratories. So this is a walk-in interview for analyst role, quality control on 19th April, 10 to 12 hours, injectable operations. Next vacancy is from Cotivity, walk-in drive, HCC, medical coding, freshers, life science graduates, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, BSc or MSc, CPC certified, my dear friends. Guys, I am making these videos to make you aware of all the available job opportunities. So please do utilize this. Next is a recruitment drive for QA and QC Ahmedabad, 26th April, 10 to 17 hours. QA and QC qualification MSc, chemistry, microbiology, biochem, biotech, or B.Pharm or M.Pharm, experience 1 to 4 years. Next vacancy is a walk-in drive at indoor. Job location Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar on 19th April, 9:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. Papaya Tree Hotel, AB Road, Indoor Mega City Circle. Production MDA or inhalers, nasal, quality assurance, quality control officer, senior officer, executive, B.Pharm, M.Pharm, MSc, 4 to 9 years. Next vacancy is from TCS. They are hiring for pharmacovigilance and clinical data management, 2 to 5 years and 2 to 8 years, 19th April. And next vacancy is from Nure Chemicals Private Limited. They are hiring for production fresher or 2 to 4 years quality assurance, 3 to 6 years quality control, 2 to 4 years analytical development fresher or 2 to 4 years. So there are several things I can read out, but please have a look at all these in detail and utilize these opportunities. And next is MacLeods Pharmaceuticals. So they are hiring for their R&D Mumbai department, regulatory affairs, position officer, executive assistant manager, market US qualification, M.Pharma, MSc, B.Pharma, 2 to 15 years. Next is Clinical Research, location Ahmedabad. They are hiring for Q auditor, lab trainer, global compliance cell auditor, report writer, biometrics, medical monitor, business development, proposal developer. And next vacancy is from Eugia. They are hiring for 1 to 3 years experienced candidates of B.Pharm, M.Pharm for IPQA department. And this is located at Pashma Alaram, Patancheruvu, Sangareddy. Vacancies are there in production, engineering, etc. Now, Lactose Pharma, so India Limited, this company is currently hiring for several departments. So here you can see for freshers in engineering, vacancies are there. Next is Laxai, so these are hiring for analytical R&D. So here you can see this is on 17th April, Friday, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Qualification MSc Analytical Chemistry or M.Pharma, 2 to 5 years of experience. Job location is Shamirpet, Hyderabad, Telangana. So MSc Analytical Chemistry or M.Pharma, 2 to 5 years, preferably male candidates. Building 900, Synergy Square 1, Genome Valley, Turkapalli. responsible to follow the site safety rules, execution of activities as current GLP, involve in entries of sample inward outward, and provide R&D support for in-process testing and intermediate analysis, wet analysis, etc. Next vacancy is from USP Private Limited. They are hiring for plant maintenance sterile, aseptic filling sterile, QMS sterile. Next is Laurus Labs along with Vishnu Universal Learning, Vishnu College, BV Raju College, Bhimavaram. So they are hiring for freshers in QA QC for API department, QA formulations, manufacturing formulation, and manufacturing API. Next is from Stanford. They are hiring multiple positions. Mahatpur, Himachal Pradesh. Next is from MSN. This is a good opportunity. So here you can see this is about SGT self-directed teams for intermediate students. So there are benefits like annual CTC 1,80,000, free higher education, BSc in pharmaceutical chemistry from TIS Mumbai, and free accommodation for 1 year and subsidized food, free transportation and night shift allowances, ESIC benefits, subsidized medicines. Date 22-25th April, MSN Organics Private Limited, Bibanagar. Next is from Aurobindo. So here you can see they are hiring for engineering, PPAC, production departments. Next is from Aurobindo Pharma QA departments. Vacancies are there in validation and QMS. Polpalli Jadcherla. Next is MQ Laboratory. This is a walk-in on 2nd May, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Vacancies are there for experienced in production, packing, quality control, warehouse engineering, tech transfers. I think the video already got long, but there are a lot of vacancies I want to tell you. Please do watch this video, so it might be useful for you. Next is Mehta API Private Limited, MIDC, Boisar, Maharashtra. So they are having vacancy for R&D officer, freshers to 3 years, MSc qualification, R&D executive, R&D senior officer, R&D freshers, production freshers, like, and QA freshers. So please do utilize the opportunity and by contact the following mail ID for job opportunity. Next is MQ. This is a walk-in on 17th April, Friday, OHD and injectable plant, Mehsana, quality assurance, QC and microbiology and quality control, and OSD manufacturing, OSD packing, engineering, warehouse, production. Next is MQ Pharmaceuticals Limited, Jammu. They are hiring for quality control, production, packing, production, quality assurance, engineering department. They have also mentioned the salaries here. You can see for 3 to 5 years, 5 lakh per annum. Next is from Hikal. They are having vacancies in production API, quality control, process engineering, and warehouse. So these are the opportunities available. Thank you for watching.